Hi there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards. My name is Charisma, and today we're in the garden. I'm going to be working on what I'm now dedicating as the Hellebore garden bed. Um, Basically, I'm just gathering, whenever I buy a Hellebore, I'm pretty much putting it in this one space for right now. And my hope is that eventually we'll have enough that we can divide and start propagating and putting them in a lot of other places, because I definitely want to do it along the creek side once we have cleaned that area up. But for today, we're just going to plant the one that we bought the other day along with some cyclamen and just clean that whole area up. So today we're going to unload the truck of bagged potting soil. We have just raised bed potting soil that I'll use in our beds. And for today, it's just gonna go in these blue containers that we have here. And I'm just gonna kind of weed out this area. It's pretty much mulched and looking decent. But I just wanna give it a once over and cut back the leaves on the hellebores, plant this hellebore and a couple of cyclamen that I have out. So I'm just gonna set up the camera and get to it. First, we're gonna pull out some snapdragons from last season and plant some poppy seeds in here. Okay. So you only want like maybe 3 seeds per square.
Okay.
Because they need to be 12 inches apart.
Okay.
Eventually.
I really doubt it's gonna work, but we're gonna try.
Well, the packet says that you can put like a 1/4 inch of soil over them.
Major poppy garden. Good.
Definitely use a bigger one
Mm-hmm.
for this size.
Mm-hmm. Agreed. You're in the roof over there, huh? I heard you. It works.
It's just the plant tone, and it's time to order more. Isn't that beautiful?
It is.
I couldn't resist it. It looks a lot like the Archangel
Right.
ground cover.
Right. Exactly. Well, there's cyclamen over there somewhere.
Hmm?
There's cyclamen over there somewhere. There's purple cyclamen.
Are those cyclamens?
Yeah, well, that might be Archangel. I'm just saying that there are purple cyclamen over there somewhere. You're right, though. It is very similar.
Well, it's slightly different if those are cyclamen. Aw.
I like how there's nothing. Everything that we plant has always got something. I like how everything that we plant has always got something different about it. You know, whether it's variegation or serrated leaves or a different kind of flower.
I'm hoping planting this over here will remember about that one. A little
Yeah,
better
right. Gotcha.
to water it
Gotcha.
in summertime.
Right.
I'm gonna leave this one here because I don't know it that well.
Alright.
Okay, so we finished up that job, and basically we just weeded and took all the leaves off of the hellebore so you could actually see the flowers. And we planted this cyclamen there and added fresh soil to the top of this. We had straw, kind of like we do over here on this bed. It just doesn't break down that quickly here. It's creating like a mat, and so even the bulbs were having a hard time poking through, but we do have some bulbs coming up in that bed, and this hellebore looks so much better without the leaves. And then we did this bed as well. It has the same combination of bulbs in there. And we planted this cyclamen with the red blooms, and that hellebore that we just purchased from the Hellebore Festival in June. And yeah, just kind of fun. This one has a variegated leaf, and then this cyclamen has a variegated leaf with a red bloom. And then this one has a variegated leaf, but it's a lot lighter. It's like much more white. And this one has a slight variegation, but it has a really beautiful purple with white tip bloom. So a little bit different, all of them. And it's just going to be a fun collection, I think, eventually. That didn't take us very long, which is a really nice late afternoon project after I got off work. Feels really good to be out here. It feels like spring. Does it feel like spring, Jasmine? She has nothing to say about that.